Hello guys, good evening ladies and gentlemen.
Wow, 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 wow.
Welcome
Ganda.
to our apartment.
Oh my God.
And this is my friend
Why?
Alvin and yours truly Glenn. Hey Alvin, how are you today?
Today the work is very hard.
Very hard, oh my god.
Because the many talkative.
Why?
Many
It's very
talkative
hard.
person, yeah.
It's hard because it's not soft.
No what? Yeah, it's difficult.
Oh, it's difficult. So how difficult it is?
Because they are very hardworking and very talkative. So I want to go home but they don't go home. Everyone.
So your co-workmates are very talkative.
Yeah, my
And who are they?
All of us. All of us
Who are
very.
they?
I will put the name.
No, it's like where did they came from?
Can I recognize their name?
Yeah, you can put some because
Yeah,
this,
the Santa, my leader. My
Your leader.
And the Japanese the one.
well, of course, ladies are very talkative, right?
Yeah, very talkative.
Yes.
Lately, I want to go home, but they don't go home.
Oh, why? So
I'm worried why they don't go home.
all of us want to go home,
Ooh.
right? How are you guys after your shifts, like from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m.? You don't want to extend, right? Like 30 minutes.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
a
yeah,
waste
yeah.
of time.
Yeah, that's it, man. What I want to say. He translate what I say. He translate what I want to say.
Yes.
It's very,
So, but how is your work as general? Were you able to?
Very easy.
Very easy.
Very easy, but because they are very dedicated to their work,
Mhm.
so I want to be dedicated to my work also.
Oh my God, that's a very
Yeah.
good answer, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Mr. Alvin, what is your work, by the way?
What?
What is your work, by the way? What is your work?
Caring the elder.
Oh, he's caring the elderly. So, in short, he is a caregiver, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And how are you able to conquer those difficulties?
What is conquer? What is conquer?
Conquer, overcome.
Overcome.
Yes.
Oh. When I think the money, so. When I think the
Yeah.
money, so.
Yes. It's like,
This is the bike. This is the real bike.
yeah, so we are motivated by our salary, right?
So, no need to retreat when you are in the work.
Yes, we are in our daily work. Yes,
Yeah.
we are motivated by our salary, so we are just thinking always of these matters because if we don't